Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I got new hair. It's a rollish gold type of vibe I'm trying to give off. Anyways, I made this wig myself and colored it all myself. If you are interested in how I got this color, I will put the link to the video down below in the description box for you. But the hair that I am wearing is from unicehair. I have in one bundle of 22-inch and two bundles of 24-inch in the Brazilian body wave with an 18-inch closure. All right guys, so I'm going to keep this look pretty simple. Whenever I do a closure wig, I always still pluck a little bit of the hairline. Closures are super simple for beginners. That's actually how I got started, and just for anyone who just doesn't really feel like bothering with a wig whenever you're making one. So I just plucked a little bit of the closure just so that it wouldn't be super thick. It would just kind of thin out right at the part area. And then here I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the hair. This is body wave, and I do have in 3 bundles, and I used all 3 bundles of hair. I did not leave a piece out, and it worked just fine. It was actually perfect. Next, you guys, I'm just going to run my hot comb over the part and then go ahead and style the hair. I have learned that doing all this on a mannequin head makes it lay so much flatter. So this hair gave me so much life, you guys. Make sure you click the link in the bottom to see how I got this color. It was actually on purpose, but I'm gonna leave it at that and let you watch it, how I got this rose gold lavender type of, it just reminds me of a really pretty sunset, so we're just gonna call it the sunset wig. But yeah, I love it, you guys. It's just something different, just a little switch up. So I just want to point out really quickly that this hair is amazing. I actually put this hair through a little bit of hell and it has held up way beyond my expectations. More than anything, you guys, I have bleached it and colored it and put so much heat on it, and it is still so very soft. That is my biggest thing right now that I noticed with this hair, and I just wanted to point that out to you guys, and just say good job to unicehair, because it's just awesome. It's just really great quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet and let you finish watching this quick tutorial in peace. Don't forget to check the description box for all the hair information, all the details, any coupon codes, all that good stuff. I will have it for you guys in the description box from unicehair. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that. You guys know I will answer you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.